What's up guys, it's Hanifi and welcome to another video. And in this video I'm going to be telling you guys how to color grade with one click in Photoshop. So let's get started. What's up guys, it's Hanif here. Before I continue with this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And also please check out my prints. The link is available in the description below, so you guys can get some prints from my shop and support the channel. Now before I color grade this before I start color grading this image, I'm going to be going over the technique I'm going to be using in this video. Now I'm going to be using LUTs. Now anybody that works with LUTs knows that LUTs are short for color lookups. They're short for lookup tables. Now these are usually used to color grade videos and stuff like that, but in this video we are going to be using it to color grade a picture in Photoshop. So before I go over using the LUTs, I'm going to do basic adjustments here in this image before in Camera Raw before I use the LUTs. So let me just adjust the contrast, highlights, and the rest here. So it's just little adjustments I'm doing here first. I'm just going to do little adjustments here, maybe a little of clarity to this image. I think I'm fine with my white balance as it is. Just increase it a bit, and then add a little bit of sharpening, I guess. Also, I'm not going to do anything with my curve yet. So right now I'm just going to open the image. I've done the basic adjustments here, so I'm just this is a very quick video just showing you guys what LUTs are and how they can really speed up your color grading process. Now with the help of LUTs, we're just going to color grade this image as quick as we can. So you go over to your adjustment, there's a choose color lookup, and then you load a 3D LUT. Now there are the 4 LUTs here that you could use, but they don't usually give the best looks, as you can see. That they all look weird, so this usually don't work great. So I'm just going to choose a LUT from my local computer. So I'm going to choose one LUT from this Litify.me professional 3D LUT package. You can buy these LUTs, just search for it on Google. So I'm just going to go back to vintage film. One of my favorite I used to use was I don't think it's vintage film. Let me go back to skin tone here. One of my favorite I used to use is I've forgotten the name of it. I've forgotten the name, sorry. I think it's Galena. Let me load this and see. Yeah, Galena was one of my favorite LUTs. So as you can see, I've color graded this image in one click. So best you can do here is just you can just adjust the opacity here. And if you don't like the LUTs, you can always maybe choose another one. Let me just create a new layer with this. So I can choose another LUT, then turn off that layer and show you guys the difference. So I'm just going to go over to teal and orange and choose molybdenite, or if that's how I pronounce it. So yeah, this is another LUT that works really great. So as you can see, we have color graded this whole image with just LUTs with one click. This looks really great to me. So this is a very easy way to speed up your color grading process if you're about that. So this is color graded molybdenite and this color graded with another LUT. So this is two different color grading techniques used in just a quick second in one click. So I was going to go with this for this image, and then we could just do little adjustments on levels. So we have done little adjustments here. So this is how you use your LUTs, and this is how you color grade your image with LUTs. So if you love this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.